just installed After Effects and don't know how to import your files? Here's how to get started. First, let's import your footage. There are 3 ways to do it. The first way is to right-click inside the project panel and select Import File. To import multiple files, hold Ctrl to select individual files, or Shift to select Arrange, then click Import. The second way is to double-click an empty area inside the project panel. And the third way is to simply drag and drop your file from File Explorer into the project panel. Next, create a composition. Think of it as your editing workspace where everything comes together. Here, you can set the composition name, resolution, frame rate, duration, and background color. To start editing, simply drag your footage from the project panel into the composition or timeline. This is where you'll add animations, effects, text, transitions, and everything else. If you don't want to set everything manually, just drag your footage onto the new composition icon, or right-click the footage and choose New Composition from selection. After Effects will automatically create a composition using your footage's resolution, frame rate, and duration. Need to change the settings later? No problem. Just right-click the composition in the project panel and choose Composition Settings. You can update the name, resolution, frame rate, duration, and more at any time. I hope this helped. If there's another After Effects topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments.